Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken bone broth. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of chicken bones, which can include backs, necks, or even feet for a richer broth. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This helps draw out beneficial minerals. Also, have your aromatic vegetables ready, such as carrots, celery, and onions, to enhance the flavor profile of your delicious broth. Next, for a deeper flavor, consider roasting your chicken bones at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes until lightly browned. Then, transfer the roasted bones and your prepared vegetables into a large stock pot. Add about 1 gallon of cold water, ensuring everything is submerged. Bring the mixture to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a very gentle simmer, letting it cook for 12 to 24 hours. During the first hour of simmering, you might notice foam or impurities rising to the surface. Use a spoon to carefully skim these off for a clearer broth. Once your broth has simmered for the desired time, remove the larger solids like bones and vegetables using tongs or a slotted spoon. Finally, strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to achieve a beautifully clear and smooth bone broth. Once your bone broth is ready, allow it to cool completely before transferring it into airtight containers. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or for longer preservation, freeze it for 3 to 6 months. This nutrient-rich broth is perfect as a base for your favorite soups and stews, or simply enjoy a warm cup on its own for its many health benefits. Enjoy your homemade broth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.